it's been a hell of a month with a lot of new records, tons of music released, and we have a very special release that landed this month at XYZ, and it comes from another Venetian, I would say, Venetian artist, Venetian musician, and you already know the guy because we're talking about Fango. If you follow the show, you have been enjoying together with us his previous releases, and this month we received the new release of Fango. I'm looking for the cover, the Degustibus cover. Here we have it. The classic Degustibus covers, and this time the title is Cardinals. I'm gonna read you just a brief introduction about the record. Fango blends 4 radically different tracks into one sonic journey. And what a journey it is! Each designed for a unique dance experience. His message is clear. Diversity, both in music and in humanity, is a treasure to be celebrated. And it kind of makes sense because the tracks on this record are very diverse. And I know many of you have been enjoying, especially one of the tracks that has been popping around the web quite a lot, I would say, during the past month. But I'm going to play for you one of the tracks that I like the most on this record, and if I'm not mistaken, is the B2, and it should be East, because you know each track has a cardinal, so it's north, south, west, and east. But yeah, I'm gonna play it because it's definitely something that moves away from the DNA of the other tracks, and I find it incredibly dynamic. This is the track that I'm probably gonna play in some of my upcoming sets. So I'm not gonna spoil it, I'm gonna let it run, and yeah, definitely I'm gonna share the cover in just about a minute. Enjoy, this is Fango, Cardinals, take it all in. We're streaming live from the beautiful Conegliano City XYZ Creative Center. Take it all in. What a trip, what a trip. Fango, Cardinals, oh man. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect from Fango with this new release. But I was incredibly curious because it's never disappointing. He always takes you somewhere unexpected, and so yeah, this time wasn't any different from the previous one. I'm gonna share with you the cover, and I'm gonna share with you both sides of the record. So here you have the actual titles of every track in this EP, so you can have a look at it and you can screenshot it if you like. And on the other side, I'm just gonna flip it for you. You have this very nice artwork. Let me turn it the right way. There you go. You have this nice piece of artwork on the label of the record. Another distinguishing feature, I would say, of every Degustibus release is like the central label. I really like it. It's always original. It always teases you and gives you a little insight about the music that you're about to play or about to enjoy or listen. Yeah, so take it, grab it, note it, add it to your playlist. Fango, Cardinals, well done Fango. Can't wait for the new one.